Good afternoon, Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax. Today we're taking a look at a beautiful 2007 Sea Ray 310 Sundancer. One of the coolest features on this boat is that flip out seat at the transom. Hanging out, watching the kids, drinking in the raft up. This boat has a magma grill, which will convey with the boat. Strategic drink holders. Forward and aft facing cockpit seating. And there is a cockpit table that conveniently stores below here. There's also a filler cushion to make it all into a sun pad. The lights in the cockpit have been replaced with LEDs. There's also RGB underwater lights on this boat by Lumitech. You'll see a sink. Beneath here is our refrigerator. That's been replaced. It's in great shape, no rust. Kenyon electric grill. Helm's been updated. Garmin 5208 map. Nice Marine VHF spotlight. The helm's been replaced. 724 hours on the starboard and 714 on the port. Nice bow pad, walk through windshield, hard top. Call Mike Ehrlich, MarineMax, 954-684-1375 for more information. Stepping inside the 31 Sundancer, you'll be impressed with all the space. Nice big bed forward for two. There's storage underneath there. Dedicated spot for the table. You notice storage along the gunnels on both sides. The boat has two skylights that come with blockouts. Bring a lot more light down here. Hanging locker. Another hanging locker. Your air's controlled here. Nice big couch on the starboard side that will pull out to sleep your short friend or child. Another nice thing on these 310s are the opening port lights. On both sides you can get some cross ventilation, and there is a blind for that. Storage above at the gunnels, and again the nice big television. The head is to port. Features a synthetic teak floor, vacuum flush head. Lots of good storage. Again, an opening port light in case you're steaming it up, taking a shower. Sink and storage. Galley is to port, under counter refrigerator. Good storage. Underneath my camera there is a 2-burner alcohol electric stove. There's your opening port light. More storage above. This is the microwave combo with the coffee maker that still has the carafe. Most don't. That concludes our tour of the inside of this 310 Sundancer. Signature feature of the Sundancer is the mid cabin beneath the cockpit. TV's been upgraded with a huge television, storage. This converts to sleep 2. Nice cabinet and a hidden storage area here that most owners don't even know about. Just forward of the mid cabin with the easy access is your main distribution panel.